I know y'all wondering, what are you doing? Child, I just decided to come talk to y'all and have y'all help me decorate my little filming area. That's it, girl. I ain't that important. I just want to see what y'all was doing today. What did y'all have planned for Valentine's Day? This is my Valentine's Day. I celebrated earlier with my daughter, and now she's working. Oh, y'all noticed I put up a new video. If not, it will be in the description down below so y'all can click on it and check out that new fashion overhaul video. Cleaning a while, y'all. Y'all use this. It's pretty good with cleaning the walls when you're gonna stick a decal and stuff on it. So, check it out. Get some napkins. Yes, anyway, like I was saying, what y'all do today? Leave it down in the comments below. Let's discuss what everybody did for Valentine's Day. I'm very curious. If y'all hear some noise in the background, it's just everyday living. My daughter and my nieces back there in them rooms playing. In their rooms. I think they're in my daughter's room right now. Playing, so ignore that. Because it can get loud like it's a professional football team back there, but yeah, I'm just warning you. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. I need some directions though. So, okay. If y'all like this company has a lot more like wall art, wall decal. Let me know. Actually, I'll just go ahead and put it down in the description below, so you won't have to ask. You can just click if you want to just go and look through some stuff. Yeah. For this kind of queen, honey. Oh, I hope that little line and injection come out. Let me see. I think that's good. I think that's in the middle. Which one?
Is you recording a video?
Yes. What you need?
Just want to say hi. Hi.
I just want to say hi. Very good. Anyway, let's see. I think I must be very scrappy with this. Very scrappy. Y'all know I'm in Houston right now, and it's a little ice storm coming, like first in history. That's hitting the city and the state. And everybody have to hunker down for some days. It's supposed to be 2, but I don't know. But we're preparing for this one right now, so everyone's in the house. Ain't too much to do. So I took this opportunity to say, hey, let's get some work done. How about that? You can do that. Plus, when I had sent off for this, so they sent the wrong decal. I was so hot, man. I was so mad. And then not just the wrong decal, a decal that was way cheaper than this one. I'm like, if I wanted that one, I would have purchased that one, you know? I was supposed to there. Let me get my recording room right, because I had to switch up rooms so I can have a little bit more room to show y'all what y'all need to see. And some of the fashion house and everything else. Ignore that. That's the phone sending news updates. Ignore it. It's nothing important. I hope that's Santa. Can y'all see that? Is that Santa, y'all? Let me know. I keep taking it back off because it has little bubbles. No one wants that. Y'all really ain't no help. Why y'all ain't coming over here helping me with this? Y'all see I'm struggling. But yeah, you just sitting there watching. Oh, okay. When you need help with something, don't call me. Because you know what? This ain't cool. For real. This is so disrespectful. I think y'all loving that I'm struggling. Let's see. Y'all like it? Oh, she pretty. Hey, girl. She is gorgeous. See how I want this. I really just, brought y'all in to just keep me company while I figure this out. About right there, y'all. That knob right there, huh? What y'all think about it right there? Yeah, I like it too. It right there. Perfect right there, y'all. Let me know. Right down. Oh, I hear the ice rain. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I hear it coming down. Okay, next one. Right there. I love it. Let me tell y'all what these pictures say, because I know y'all like, what does that say? This one right here is, I am blessed for all I have. This one is, I am focused on being productive today. This one is, I am worthy of everything I desire. This one is, I am grateful for my relationships. This one is, I am happy being who I am. And this one is, I am motivated to achieve my goals. And of course, y'all know what this represents. Beauty. Represents pure beauty. Anyway, I just wanted y'all to come along with me today and help me do my little wall, you know, my motivation wall for when I'm filming or whatever I'm filming, whether it's clothes or whatever. Just a motivation wall. So if y'all enjoyed it and you like my pictures on, anyway, the camera cut off in the middle of me saying something. So if you can relate or love the art, love the pictures, love the sayings, please like, comment, and subscribe, because this is what this channel is about. Empowering each other, uplifting each other, and helping each other. So if you want to collab, let me know. I'm more than happy. You know, whether you just starting out or whether you're a bigger channel, it doesn't matter. I'll collab with anybody. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell for those post notifications if you haven't already. Please, I am Tamara. This is Tamara'sCamera. And thank y'all for joining me today and helping me fix my inspiration wall. And until next time, guys, bye.
Peace.
Y'all heard that? Just hard-headed. Ooh, just bad. Anyway, see y'all next time.